Chiaus builds an intelligent manufacturing system covering R&D, production, quality control, warehousing, logistics, information integration with more than 1,500 square meters of provincial R&D center, premium-level international standard laboratory, professional industry technical experts, and scientific research backbones. Chiaus' world's first national patent for dual-core absorbents. Right now, we have won more than 171 patents, including more than 20 invention patents. To provide customers with quality products, quality service is our consistent purpose. We look forward to receive your inquiry as soon as possible. Founded in 2006, Chiaus is an innovation-driven enterprise that integrates research and development, design, production, sales, and service, and specializes in manufacturing middle and high-end maternal and childcare products. Now in Fujian has more than 100,000 square meters of self-built factories, more than 20,000 square meters of premium-level operation center. Certified by ISO 9001, CE, FDA, CGMP, OCO, and many other certifications. We prioritize service excellence. Globally, we offer competitive pricing and quality products to cater to diverse customers' needs, driven by a commitment to exceptional service. We select the world's premium quality raw material suppliers and the stringent process standards to ensure that we provide soft, dry, safe, and leakage-proof products for babies. We specialized in T-style diaper design with adjustable side tap, 360-degree fit baby's body curve, no tighten in stomach area. Our products are made from natural, degradable materials. It's more comfortable and skin-friendly, no irritating. Our ultrafine denier waistband pull-up pants using ultrafine denier fiber material. The fiber is thinner and softer, gently fits the baby's waist curve, reduces scratches and friction. With double liquid, instant absorption, super long, powerful dry, and comfortable, no side leaking, effectively prevent diaper rash. Warmly welcome OEM and ODM.